Hello and welcome to this Grundfos tutorial on how to use CDX. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your login issues. To start, please go to the login page by clicking the CDX login button on the right side of the main page. Once here, you can begin to fix your issues. One reason you can't log in may be because you've forgotten your user ID. To receive a new user ID, click the User ID Forgotten button on the left side of the login screen. Here, type in your email and click Send. You should now receive an email from CDX shortly. In this email, they will supply you with your company name and your user ID. You can now use your user ID to log in. Alternatively, you might have forgotten your password. To receive a new password, please click the Request New Password button on the left side of the login page. Here, similarly, you will be asked to provide your user ID and your email. Now click Send. And again, you'll receive an email from CDX. In this new email, you'll receive a temporary password that you can only use once. You should now use this to log in. When logging in, you'll receive this message. You'll now have to change your password. So to do this, first type in your old password, which is the one you just received from email, and then your new password. You choose this yourself and you just type it in. When you've chosen your new password, click OK. And you're now logged into CDX. You can now begin using CDX to reply to our MDIS requests.